Are you ready to elevate your online presence this St. Patrick's Day? Stay tuned as we guide you through creating a captivating landing page to attract customers and boost your sales. Before diving into building your Shopify St. Patrick's Day landing page, there are a few key preparation steps to consider. Firstly, choose theme colors and symbols that capture the festive spirit of St. Patrick's Day, like green, white, and yellow, along with traditional symbols such as shamrocks and beer mugs, to appeal visually to your audience. Secondly, showcase unique St. Patrick's Day merchandise to set your business apart and create excitement among customers. Lastly, prepare special promotions for your landing page. Emphasize special offers and deals to drive sales and create a sense of urgency among customers. By carefully considering these preparation steps, you can create a compelling St. Patrick's Day landing page that engages your audience and drives conversions. Now let's start building your ideal Shopify landing page for St. Patrick's sales. In this video, I will create a St. Patrick's Day landing page for a print-on-demand brand. First things first, ensure you have EComposer installed on your Shopify store. Once you're in the app, click the Start Building button and select Landing and Pages to begin. The eComposer editor is opening. Now, let's jump into creating the first section of the Shopify St. Patrick landing page. Section 1, Hero Banner. Choose a one-column section structure to start. In the Layout section of the Sections Content tab, choose Full Width for content width and no column gap. Adjust the margin for this structure in the Advanced tab to ensure the banner spans the full page width. Set the background image for this section. Opt for imagery that embodies the festive spirit of St. Patrick's Day, such as leprechauns, pots of gold, or Irish landscapes. Add the row element to divide the Hero Banner section into two columns. Left side for heading, text, and call to action. Craft a compelling headline that grabs attention and encourages action. The right side is for the St. Patrick campaign illustration. Choose vibrant and engaging graphics that resonate with your target audience and convey the excitement of the holiday. Go to Advanced Settings and rotate each image for optimal organization and visual appeal. Section 2, Hot Categories. Set the section into two columns, left is 25%, right is 75%. Choose a white background color to create a clean and modern aesthetic. To draw attention to this section, feature a bold heading like Explore Our Hot Categories on the left side. On the right side, showcase different product categories related to St. Patrick's Day. Utilize row, image, and heading elements to highlight each category effectively. Then this is the outcome. Different product categories related to St. Patrick's Day, such as clothing, decor, cards, and earrings. Section 3, Sale Off Collections. Divide the section into two columns with a ratio of 50 to 50. Begin by creating the left collection. Add a background image that complements the theme of St. Patrick's Day, such as a festive parade or a pub scene. Turn on Enable Overlay and choose a hover animation, such as the Grow effect, to add visual interest. Include compelling content and links to relevant collections, emphasizing the special offers and discounts available. After completing the left collection, duplicate and modify the content to create the right collection. Ensure consistency in design and messaging to maintain a cohesive look across both collections. Then this is the outcome. Section 4, Don't Miss Out Deal. This section aims to create excitement and a sense of urgency among customers to take advantage of special offers. Choose a section structure with a 40:60 ratio. On the left side, include a catchy heading like "Don't miss out on these lucky deals." Accompanied by persuasive text and a countdown timer to emphasize the limited time nature of the offers. On the right side, incorporate captivating illustrations or images highlighting featured products. Then this is the outcome. Section 5, Best Sellers. Utilize the product grid element to create this section, showcasing your top-selling items for St. Patrick's Day. Arrange the products in an eye-catching grid layout, with high-quality images and concise product descriptions to entice customers. To capture the interest of your audience, highlight popular St. Patrick's Day-themed merchandise such as green apparel, shamrock accessories, or Irish-inspired decor. Section 6, Service Warranty. Structure this section with a single-column layout. Use the Features element to highlight the benefits of shopping with your store during the St. Patrick's Day sale. Customize each feature with a title, description, and illustrative icon to enhance visual appeal and communicate value to potential customers. Then this is the outcome. Include 3 key benefits: fast shipping, hassle-free returns, and exceptional customer service. Section 7, Customer Engagement. Enhance customer engagement and trust with various interactive elements. Incorporate a Happy Clients section featuring testimonials from satisfied customers. Use the EComposer testimonial element to display positive reviews and build credibility. Include an FAQ section to address common questions and concerns, providing helpful information to potential buyers. Implement a newsletter sign-up form to capture leads and inform customers about upcoming promotions and events. Provide additional information such as delivery details, return and exchange policies, and contact information to ensure a seamless shopping experience. By meticulously crafting each section of your St. Patrick's Day landing page with EComposer, you can create a visually stunning and engaging experience for your customers, driving sales and fostering brand loyalty during this festive holiday season. Once you've designed your St. Patrick's Day landing page, it's crucial to ensure it's optimized for all devices and search engines. Check out our detailed tutorial about mobile optimization with EComposer in this video description. Now, save and publish. Then, see how the St. Patrick landing page is on the live site. Wow, beautiful! And there you have it, your own St. Patrick's Day landing page that drives traffic, boosts sales, and leaves a lasting impression. I recommend you use the pre-made EComposer St. Patrick's Day landing page to build your desired landing page faster. Try EComposer today to own around 120 plus page and 300 plus section templates. Happy designing! Try EComposer today to own around 120 plus page and 300 plus section templates. That's a wrap of the Create St. Patrick's Day Shopify landing page with EComposer. Please give a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel to receive the newest videos that can make your Shopify webpage creation path much faster and easier. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.